Hello everybody and welcome back to OC Everywhere. Today we are at the Bird Keepers Association Southern National Premier Show. Now it's a fantastic exhibition today. There's over 1,000 birds in the show behind me, ranging from native British finches, native British softbills, foreign finches, foreign doves, parakeets, loads of different breeds of canaries. It's an absolutely fantastic show here today. So of course we're going to be taking a look around and we'll be speaking to a number of the fanciers who are here today.
We're going to photo of you with the bear as well. Dave walks indoors out, he's top. Ideally, you want to bring the other people. It's a good idea. Yeah, well, possibly. Yeah, they've got to come back up.
Oh yes, I will do it, yeah. I'll give change it tomorrow. Because I think they'll just watch off.
Fantastic. So Jamie, tell us about next year then. So what's the intention? What do you see going forward? What are you hoping the entry is? And this is a challenge for everybody. Make sure the entry at least smashes what Jamie's about to say.
So next year we're a much bigger venue, 5 times bigger. We're going to have trade stands, a big sales section. We're going to potentially do it over a 2-day show within the remit of the showcase rules. We're looking at getting couriers from different parts of the country to come through with designated pick-up and drop-off points. More international judges, judges on board. Yeah, we're going for a big one next year. It's going to be good.
Fantastic. That's going to be excellent.
On the front.
Okay, it's that decorated with the you can't even get you never get to say that.
Really? That's what she said.
Yeah.
Is that the only one you got? Yeah, Bev got that best in show. Miley model.
Wow.
We're going to be that busy. Also,
Well, congratulations. You, for the second year running, have won Best Irish Fancy. Tell us about the bird. Tell us about the success.
Well, I bought the parents. One was my original stock bird. The cock bird was one of my original. And the hen bird came from a friend last year. It was a little yellow hen. And yeah, I mean, that's where she originates from. She has only done, I think I only did one other show this year with her, and she did well. That was at Beverley, CBS, and she won best. I think she won best clear up there as well. Yeah, and the novices today as well. Yeah.
Amazing. Well, congratulations. I mean, there's been a great turnout of the Irish, and I mean, it must make you really proud to, for the second year running, have done what you've done.
Yeah. Oh, it's been amazing. Yeah.
Brilliant. Well,
Yeah.
congratulations.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're
Thank you.
welcome. Finally, a word from Shane. You all might know him, Direct Bird Products. Shane, just tell us a bit about the quality of the birds today. Have you seen a good standard?
Yep, throughout, whether it be Borders, Fives, British, and obviously the novices have done outstanding in all sections, as well as taking Best British and Best Greenfinch in show, both novices. So just proves a point that the novices are coming up and competing against the top champions. So yeah, well done to everybody.
Can I just say, I'd like to say thank you to the Norwich fraternity for entering 132 Norwich, which I believe is the biggest turnout this year. Harlequins for 86 in show, which is absolutely fantastic. Razors, we had 56. I mean, the classes are just exploding, and the bigger they get, the more we'll do with specials, cash specials, trophies. So if people are going to jump behind us and support us, and we'll just keep making it bigger and better.
Amazing. Well, make sure to come along to the BKA Southern National Show next year.
And I think that's sold actually. Look, I knew it. How much is champion now? But then when they've got shown yeah, and that's better. Brilliant show, love it, yeah.
Thank you very much. So you've run the border show today. How many entries?
We had 190 entries, but because of bird flu and something, we were down to 160, so it's still okay.
Still a great turnout though for the boarders, of course, and lovely to see them here at a big cage bird show. You know, there's something underrepresented, I think.
Definitely underrepresented at cage bird shows, but I do believe that we're onto a winner. And don't forget, next year we're going to be at Chelmer Valley High School, bigger and better.
Fantastic. So, Jamie.
The other one was the Saxonet. But your sister took the two cleaners, the one and that's the well, it is until you see it right.
I do like that voice. That's one side. Just leave it over there to one side. Yeah.
That could be
So, everybody, you might recognise this familiar face. Keith Ferry, well,
nice to see you,
yeah,
Ollie.
nice to see you. Thank you for, judging today. So, sorry, not judging, showing, because you've been quite successful today, haven't you, I believe?
Brought a judge from over Ireland. He obviously likes my type of bird because he picked most of my class winners, and I finished up having best, second best, third best, best white, best green. So
routine then.
Oh, I don't know about that. There's always competition out there, but it's nice to come down here and see a nice bunch of fanciers. And what I am more surprised about is the amount of Norwich here. I didn't expect to see so many Norwich because you haven't got the hotbed of Norwich people down south like we have up in the Midlands.
Yeah.
But pleasantly surprised. There's some nice Norwich here.
Brilliant. I mean, it's lovely to see them, and I mean, for the quality as well is just outstanding. I was looking at them earlier, just thinking, they are just magnificent, aren't they? I mean, I can't blame you for keeping them for so long. They are just a wonderful bird.
Well, I'm getting, a bit old in the tooth now, and how long I shall keep doing it, I don't know. But as long as I possibly can.
Brilliant.
But yeah. Over 50 years of breeding them.
Fantastic. 50 years of expertise, and of course this is why we see you all over the internet with many people coming to try and get a drop of that knowledge, because it is outstanding.
Well, I like to pass on whatever knowledge I've got. It's no good taking it to your grave, is it, when you're trying to encourage newcomers into the hobby.
Of course.
And people, newcomers, they're always welcome to ask me questions, try to encourage them into the hobby. Unfortunately,
youngsters are not coming into it like you, Ollie. I mean, you're one of the youngest ones I know.
I think so, perhaps, yeah.
Yeah.
No, well, brilliant. Thank you for your time and
problem.
congratulations today. You've done absolutely
Thank you very much.
superb. Yeah,
And
you're very welcome.
I wish the show more success for the future.
Fingers crossed. Thank you.
Thank you.
You doing right there?
So everybody, that brings us to the end of what has been a fantastic day here at the BKA Southern National Bird Show. There were 1,251 birds entered of many, many different species and varieties, of which 163 were border canaries, an amazing turnout for the breed, 136 Norwich canaries, and many, many more of many other varieties. It was a very successful day for myself, having beaten off champion opposition to win Best Greenfinch with a flighted bird I bred last year, a really proud moment for me. And then on to next year. Get the date in your diaries, the 28th and 29th of November 2026 at the Chelmer Valley High School, the BKA Southern National. Let's get over 2,000 birds benched. There'll also be sales tables and trade stands. This is going to be the premium bird event in the UK that you cannot be missing. See you there.